Never have I ever built a sandcastle. Alright, Caillou, you go first.
Hey, here's how it went down. Me and Rosie were making sandcastles on the beach. Then some people said hers was a lot better. I got really mad, so I stomped it to the ground. Next thing you know, Rosie starts crying and tells on me. And all of a sudden, Mommy comes up to me and says,
You're going in timeout, Caillou.